What if a scientist in Australia could ask an AI to search thousands of research papers, generate a hypothesis, write the code, analyze the results, and suggest what experiment to run next? That future is no longer just science fiction. In 2026, researchers are actively building what they call AI co-scientists, and Australia is already asking an important question: is our scientific system ready for them? The Australian Academy of Science has been examining how AI could reshape the country's research ecosystem, from research institutions and funding models to policies and scientific practice. And Australia's chief scientist has highlighted a very real example. Australian researchers are already using AI in medical imaging to detect multiple conditions in just seconds. Globally, systems such as AlphaFold have also shown how AI can accelerate biological research and drug discovery. So the question isn't whether AI will enter Australian science, it already has. The question is, how far can it go? In 2026, a paper published in Nature described Co-Scientist, a multi-agent AI system built on Gemini. Instead of simply answering questions, the system is designed to help scientists generate and evaluate hypotheses. Different AI agents can take different roles, working together to explore scientific problems, and this idea is becoming much bigger. Another 2026 Nature paper describes the AI Scientist, a system designed to automate large parts of the research process, including generating ideas, searching literature, planning experiments, analyzing results, and writing scientific papers. In other words, AI is moving from being a tool that helps scientists toward becoming a research partner. But there is a catch. Can AI actually make science more creative? A 2026 study by Yixuan Tang and Yi Yang tested 37,802 AI-generated scientific ideas across research areas in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The researchers found that AI-generated ideas were more concentrated around existing literature than human research. The systems were good at extending what already existed, but they were less likely to move far away from the starting point and ask completely different questions. That matters, because some of the biggest scientific breakthroughs didn't come from improving an existing idea. They came from questioning the assumptions behind it. And this is where Australia's position becomes interesting. Australia has major research strengths in areas such as medicine, agriculture, environmental science, astronomy, and climate research. Australia also needs researchers who understand AI, infrastructure capable of running it, and rules that protect scientific integrity. The future probably isn't about replacing Australian scientists with machines. It's about giving scientists something they have never had before: a team of digital research assistants that can work around the clock. The human scientists could decide the question, AI could explore thousands of possible answers, and humans could verify which discoveries actually matter. The future of science is changing fast, and if you want to stay ahead of the latest developments in AI, data, technology, and the insights shaping tomorrow, make sure you follow and subscribe to Data Experts 360.